Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, day 37, our chicks are making 37 days. Look at them. Look at how they look like, and this is our effort. This, you guys, you're really giving me the motivation to do this. So without your effort, without your input, guys, I think I wouldn't be doing these videos, So this is what it means looking after chicks. I haven't got any mortality. They're really doing well and they're really good. So today I just wanted to really add on disease control, because I've realized that with chicks, you also need to keep monitoring their droppings, their poop, all the time, so that you get to realize which one is sick, and if it's sick and it needs your support, or maybe it needs some medication, you do it. So this is how it is.